I think I would choose bold because I do think the approach to the science is a very bold approach. I think of cooperation, collaboration, and I think of commitment. My name is Mary Murray, and I'm a director of Patient Engagement and Advocacy at BioNTech. My role is to enable an opportunity here for patients to speak for themselves and for people to hear directly from people living with these conditions. When I'm describing my work at BioNTech to my family and friends, one of the things that I mention is how easy the communication is and the relationships are with subject matter experts in the company and even senior leaders. There's a great accessibility. So nothing gets done by one person, and everyone is a part of making that process happen. When we have a success story and bring insights in, that means we'll find out the answers to those questions sooner and stay on that path. And that's important because at the end of the day, what we want to get to is a medicine that helps someone celebrate another birthday, either their own birthday or a child's birthday or a parent's birthday. Be there for those moments that are special, like graduations, and those that are everyday, like reading at bedtime. And helping those patients to have information available to them that they can process with their families, with their doctors. Those are the most important ways that I'm able to affect just in my work alone. I do believe this, right? People get a diagnosis, they're faced with a new normal. And I think that has to be the same for us. I'll find a way to keep pressing, right? Because we have to be willing to change something.